Right, this is Stephen Mason, basically trying to show you an update footage of relay track that I've done, ready for the APTE. Technically speaking, it will go in three different endpoints. I'll show you the first one, forward then reverse, then do the adjustment to track to show you the other forward and reverse. Right, hopefully this will work this time. We've got thunder and lightning at the moment, heavy rain, so if that's what you're hearing, that's what's happening. Right. Okay, let me get the controls correct this time. I've tried numerous attempts of trying to show you how all this layout is interconnected all the way down to the very bottom and all to the very top. More tracking you can comprehend. Right, okay, so technically here we go. I'll do it in slow to start off with. That's what I call the high roller. Down underneath the high roller. Then down across. And a relatively steep incline, and then basically bring it to a stop, and I'll do the reverse of that and do it at a higher speed. Bring that to a stop. So there and back on that one. Now I'm going to change two tracks, two junctions, which consists, when you look at it like that, so spaghetti junction, but basically just two tracks to change. This one to open, and that one to close, so it redirects it up and then across to this section, which takes it through the chicane part, then up a steep incline there, then around and down, and then technically back up again, and then we'll do reverse of that. So hopefully, touch wood, everything will go sweet. Right. Send it back. There we go, so that's worked out alright. Thank you. Better light would help. Technically speaking, every single junction on this track layout is interconnected. Thank you.